At the Furniture Bank, we serve 4,000 families and roughly 7,500 children every year. And so we are always looking for donations. And obviously we like furniture, like mattresses, dressers, kitchen tables, etc. But also some of the other things that you don't often think about that make a house more livable, like lamps and silverware and housewares. All those things really help make a difference. Even pictures maybe that are old and in your basement or you're thinking of swapping out. I mean, think of the Furniture Bank for that. We can always use things like that that help make a home a more nurturing environment. And the demand is so high. I mean, we don't even begin to meet the need in our community, but the demand is so high, and what happens is the furniture that's donated today often is out of our warehouse within 48 hours. I mean, families come in and we serve 16 to 20 families a day, and they get their furniture that very same day, which is really neat.
Usually families come to us when they're in severe life crises events, when they're coming out of the homeless shelter, when they have had a job loss and have an eviction, or just a range of different of situations. And so most of the families we serve earn less than $12,000 a year, and most of them have children or are single parents. So we really are helping the people who are living in poverty in our community and really trying to give a hand up so that they can focus on more pressing issues in their life rather than having to sleep on the floor. And so if you ever imagined, we all know how good a restful night's sleep is, and so imagine if you were going through a severe life crisis in your life, what it would be like to have to sleep on the floor or eat dinner on the floor, or just not have those basic necessities that we take for granted. We have all kinds of volunteer opportunities. One new volunteer opportunity that we have is being a personal shopper for our clients, and so what that entails is working with the clients as they come in to fill out their paperwork, and then physically walking them through the showroom and helping them pick out items. Each family gets a certain number of points to spend, and it's based on the Choice Food Pantry model. We also have a wood shop, which thanks to some great woodworkers from the Woodworkers of Central Ohio, we are able to build about 13% of our furniture that we distribute to families each year. So we build dressers, we build bed frames, we build kitchen tables, kitchen chairs, and coffee tables and end tables, because those items are kind of hard to come by for us. So just helps us. We use donated wood, and then we use donated labor, and the whole wood shop operation is about $1 million operation if we would have to pay for it.
We actually save the environment too, because a lot of this furniture might end up in a landfill or something like that. I think it's something like what we save about 23 football fields worth of furniture a year. That would go into the landfills. It wasn't for us. And so we really like to think of it as, it's secondhand for second chances, in a way. It makes a lot of sense, and a lot of families need this, and it's a great opportunity to really give back to the community.